Just thought I'd show you a quick video of what I've been working on the last day and a half. I've got a 13 string of stairs. They fitted this treated pine slabs and they've been too short, so they've added an extra bit at the end, and I think originally they nailed them in. There's evidence, well, there's nails in there. So look up here, there's a nail in there. And then they've added in some of these hex-headed screws, or Allen key sort of style, these screws here, and tried to close them up, but you can see that they've got gaps. There's a gap running right down the guts of it. So what I'm basically doing is I'm sanding them down, and then I'm planing that back edge, and here's what I've done earlier. And I've planed that join, glued them, screwed them back together, and then I've planed this top surface down so that they're nice and flush, and I'm going to paint the whole lot. So even if this is flush now and that's flush, I put a little bit of filler in. You can see it down the back there. So yeah, if you look at this one over here, you can see one I've planed before. This is what I'm dealing with. So that's the top of the step. You see there's quite a big gap, and it's just filled with garbage, you know, like whatever's fallen on there. There's a bit of a lip, and when I put it down, you can see it better if I look like that, probably. Yeah. So basically I'm getting 40 grit sandpaper on my half sheet sander. I sand all the surface down until it's nice and smooth, and then I hit this with the plane and manually just level it all off, because the board itself is not exactly flat. And yeah, each one takes about an hour and a half to do. Obviously I've got to let the glue set, but yeah, fun times.